So anyways, listen, man. This, as you guys know, we're headed to go repossess a very, very nice classic car, man. This is a 1958 Ford Fairlane, all right, with a 352 265 horsepower engine. It's a classic. Man, do I love old cars? I really do, man. I'm a classic car kind of guy. So I'm gonna call up Mondo, okay? If the car's there, we're gonna wait. We gotta call up Mondo because we cannot tow it. And I guarantee you, Froy, they gotta have some kind of kill switch on it. So I think that, you know, as far as that's concerned, Froy knows what he needs to do. But what they needed to know is that this is a piece of art.
Let's just say that even even though I think the Ford Fairlane was pretty sleek and big, man, the Studebaker was huge. Looked like a boat
What you
with metal.
do in that car?
I was sitting in it.
How do you know it's so huge?
Because my grandpa had one.
Yeah, okay.
That wasn't with me because I was born yet.
Yeah. Damn. That's right. Froy, what year were you born?
77.
Damn. What year were you born?
63.
Woo. All right, so this is the...
What's the address?
I don't know, what's the paperwork?
Well, I don't need to look at the address, bro. You just went by the address and the car, and it's outside in the driveway. Ooh, wow. It's a sweet car, and he's got it clean. Look at those white walls.
Is it the car?
That's the car right
You're
there.
kidding me.
It's open.
Oh
Sweet.
My God. All right, you know what?
Do we have a plate or anything?
Rock and roll 58, rock and roll 58.
We're not gonna try to hotwire this car. We're not gonna try to tow it with a sling truck or even with the wheel lift. You do not do that. That's being disrespectful to that car. Okay, that's why I had a flatbed standing by for this car.
And we went up there all quiet, me, Froy, and my brother, and trying to waltz in on the action. Go in there with, okay, this is our car. Because it's the only Ford Fairlane. It's not like everybody in the whole neighborhood is gonna have one parked in front, yellow and white, with white walls.
It's on the left. It's on the left top, like the Porsches.
And I'm the guy that picks the cars. I had no idea what the ignition was. It was like, oh, it's on the left side, just like the Porsche. Ask me a Porsche, I know exactly everything about the Porsche. Ask me any car you want and I'll be able to tell you, but don't ask me about old classic cars. I have no idea. I don't know nothing about them.
Man, this back seat is huge.
It doesn't start? Okay, you know what, get out. Sonia, get in it, we're gonna push her. Sonia, you're gonna back it up and you're gonna push it to Mando's truck. Hurry up.
Push up?
Yeah, we're gonna push it backwards.
Oh,
Right?
does this go back? Does this go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, hold on.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Come on, Froy, push it. Let's go.
All right.
Let's go. Come on. I got it. Come on. Let it go, Sonia. Keep on going. Hurry up. Okay, go forward. Hey, relax. Who are you?
Who are you?
Go forward.
This is my car.
Go forward. Hey, dude, we're with the finance company, man.
What finance
Listen,
company?
the one you financed the car with. Sorry, dude.
Finance? What?
You didn't make the payments,
No,
man.
what
Relax.
payment? How come I've never been
You didn't
notified?
make the. Hey,
You
that's
cannot
not.
take that.
Dude, we already got. Listen, get your hands off me. We already got it
but this
repossessed.
is
Go
my
for
car.
it.
You can't-
Go.
Show me
Listen,
something.
we'll show you when we have it on the flatbed.
When?
Dude, get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Stop this. This is.
You're gonna get hurt, man.
No.
And no sooner I got in it and we started pushing, ooh, here comes the owner. Irate as hell. He looked like a bat out of hell. What are you guys doing, my car? And man, he tried to get in, and you know, my brother's pushing him away, and they're frailing, and they're pushing me.
Dude, get out of my face.
No, what do you mean?
Don't touch me.
You stop talking.
Okay.
You can't take the car.
Stop right there. Okay, all right.
And then of course, Fernando with his off, you know, remarks telling me that, oh, he can't push it because I'm too heavy and the car's heavy, and damn it, maybe if he stopped eating, maybe he'd be able to have a little bit more strength instead of complaining about how much weight I got behind me in the car.
Listen, step over here. She's gonna explain to you what's going on.
You can't just come tow it.
Listen,
I've never been notified.
relax, dude. Talk to him, Sonia.
Okay, look, we
Talk
have
to
an order
him.
for repossession.
Mondo, you wanted a neutral?
How is he gonna stop a 2-ton car going down the hill with Sonia in it, especially with Sonia in it, and Lou behind it and me on the side of it? There's no way he's gonna be able to do anything about it. I just wanted to get it as fast as I could to the flatbed so Mondo can hook it up and just take it and don't have to deal with the person.
You don't need to know
This is my baby. You can't
That's
watch.
fine, but you know
I'm
what?
not touching you while you're
Talk to
touching
the
my
dealer.
You
Talk to the
understand? This is
dealer.
my. I cannot do this.
Yes, we can. We
Dealer,
have an
call
order.
him. Call him right
You
now.
call him, not me.
You
That's your
cannot
job.
do this. You cannot. This is,
Don't tell him what we can
this is my baby. You cannot do that.
Sir, listen, you need to calm down. Okay, stop for 1 second and I'll tell you. It's not our job to notify you. It's the finance company's job.
How come they haven't?
Let me
You
finish.
understand?
I just asked you to let me finish. Okay. We come over here on behalf of the finance company and repossess the car. We can't get involved in any kind of situation or negotiations with you and the finance company, okay?
Right.
We did our job. We even got a flatbed. You should be grateful that we're not driving it or towing it in a regular tow truck. We know what kind of car it is. We know what it is. We know the value.
But obviously, Bumando was doing good, and obviously they're trying to calm this guy because, man, he was like freaking crazy.
This is not
Good
right.
luck.
You know that. You
Listen,
know that.
listen, I'm gonna take care of that car. Nothing's gonna happen to it. I promise you that. But that's all that I can do, okay? That's all that I can do.
He didn't get out of line too much, and I understand what he was feeling, and I felt bad, man. I still feel bad about that, you know?
He's ready?
Where did he go with the car?
Just go straight, go straight. All right. He's already heading back to the yard.
That car is heavy.
We got it, yeah. Dude, I broke a mean sweat.
And Sonia in there doesn't help.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah, thank you.
I wanted to give the car back. That guy would be my best friend. I'd be cruising that car with him on the weekends.
Silence, mortal. Silence, mortal. You don't even fit.
Steve out here. Well, you ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
Let's do it.
Okay, man.
Why are you smiling?
Same as last time, you a little nervous? Steve, he's the helicopter pilot that we utilize whenever we have repossessions.
Let's make sure that we get the logbooks, that everything's cool.
Okay, so
And,
what do you need the logbooks for again?
Well, you know, the helicopter's useless without logbooks.
Without those logbooks, the individual that's gonna drive that helicopter off cannot go anywhere, do anything without these books because he has to know the condition, fuel, what's going on with the copter. I mean, for all I know, he'll drive up and it blows up.
Make sure we get the logbooks from the guy. When you guys wait for him, they're gonna wait for the guy inside. Okay, and then they'll grab the logbooks, bring them to me, and then I'll give them to you.
I think it's funny though, you know, Lou and Sonia, Lou gets all 007 James Bond thing, and Sonia, she gets all serious.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Helicopter pilot, how long you been a helicopter pilot?
I don't know, a couple of weeks.
Couple weeks, huh?
No, I've been doing it for years, since
Let's
early
not-
90s.
Well, let's concentrate on what we're gonna go do, man. We're
Oh.
not here to interview, so.
So anyway, how long you been a helicopter pilot?
Anyways.
I'm trying to have a chat with the guy, and Sonia's like, we need to be serious. No time for interviewing, whatever. That's Sonia's game. She wants to be controlling, manipulative, power hungry. That's her game. That's her gig.
So,
Other than knocking this guy, do I have open territory to do what I need to do to get him?
only if it's self-defense. But if you feel the guy's gonna run into the helicopter, then you're gonna basically stop him because you don't want him to hurt himself.
You know, I mean, after 9/11, it's, you know, any activity, you know, trying to take an aircraft, is going to be considered by, you know, Repo police as, you know, they don't know.
A terrorist act.
Yeah, you know, so we got to be really careful. That, you know, a lot of times, you know, they might.
Matt on the sidelines.
That's the right helicopter?
Yep.
That's the till number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, as soon as you go in, Sonia and Matt are already in the office. So as soon as he goes in there, go to the helicopter. I'm gonna go see if I can get the books and start your prep.
Hi, how you doing?
Not bad.
Hi,
Helicopters at the repo. I need those logbooks now. Now. Okay, now. Give me the logbooks.
Hold on,
Go.
hold on.
Now.
Okay, hold on, Matt, hold on.
Relax, cowboy. Relax.
Okay.
I will break your neck. Relax. You're staying here till that gets off the ground. Get up. Get up. Get up.
So Matt obviously had to control the guy, and he didn't know what was going on. He was really in shock, like, why you have me, you know, and he couldn't get out of Matt's lock if he even tried.
I came at him like a ton of bricks, and I grabbed him, threw him across the desk, got him into a choke, and just wanted to put the fear of God into the guy real quick.
Steve made his way to the helicopter. I was right behind him. You know, I gave him the logbooks. He did his check, made sure everything was good to go. Okay, be careful. You guys already know the spot we have to take it to. Take it over there. I'm gonna call it in repossessed. Okay, you got it, Steve?
Got it.
Okay, all right, be careful, man.
All right.
Relax. Relax.
Take it easy, man.
Relax.
All right.
I'm gonna let you sit down. I'm gonna let you sit down. You give me any trouble, dude, I'm gonna give you.
Because in a situation like this, it has to be quick, okay? There ain't no time to dilly-dally, okay? And we have to sedate the person that's actually coming off that copter.
Is this the RO?
Yeah, well,
Hey, how you doing? Did they explain to you what's going on here?
I don't know at this point. He's on there, but He wants to have some information. I told him he's gonna have to talk to the owner of the copter. We have a repossession for it.
Okay, but what you could do, you're free to leave. So if you want to go ahead and just we'll walk you out. You can take off.
Yeah, I just told him I don't want him near the helicopter.
All right, so once again, what the hell are you doing?
I didn't want to let go in the truck like that, so I thought I'd just let it out the window.
Bro, is this the crap you gotta deal with, dude, and put up with when I'm not here? Oh man, you're kidding me.
Would you rather have me done it in the truck?
Okay, all right, I appreciate that.
You
Okay.
usually do.
All right.
Well, I was trying to be a little classy.
Here we are with Froy and Matt, and we're just BSing, you know. I'm listening to these guys. This is what they do, okay, when I'm not with them. So I'm just hanging out, just chilling, being a cool boss. This is this Impala we've been looking for that's always blocked in. I got a key, so we got a key right here.
I really like this kind of repos when the finance company calls us and says, hey, I have this repo and I have the factory key. What more can you ask for?
Now remember, this Impala was blocked in. Sonia's been there, Linda's been there, and it's always blocked in. So now we're gonna go over there and handle business, right? See, there it is, dude, it's blocked in. Son. See it right there?
Talking about accurate.
Dude, I think we can probably get it out, bro.
You notice there's somebody.
Ooh, that's tight.
Was there? I didn't see him. I think we can get it out.
There's a guy.
Let me turn my
shirt.
Really?
Next.
We get there. There it is, brother. Sitting right there, man. Blocked in. So I'm like, all right, Froy, you get in the car. That way we take possession. That way it's legally ours. And then we'll maneuver it out.
The only thing is, I'm thinking, well, maybe I do have enough room to pull it out of there, and Lou's like, yeah, bro, you got enough room.
And I think you have enough room to get out of there. Worst case, we'll go jack the rear end, slide the rear end to the left, and then the front, just turn it hard right, and we'll be able to drive out.
It's kind of tight.
Well, it's tight. It's tight.
Let's try it, man.
You sure? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, let me look at the,
Nobody's in.
no, look at the cracks in the, you think, yeah, man.
I think we can, look at, bro, if we can go check the ass in out this way,
you're right,
bro, you
man.
can even back it out. You can back it, you can back it out, dude. Go, see if it works, and let's do this. You know, there was no one around. I just wanted to be quiet.
Well, it didn't work out as easy as I thought it would be.
Hey, what's up, guys? Get in. It's a repossession. It's a repo, brother. Dude, you guys didn't make one payment on this thing, man. Who's Cooper?
Dude, there's no Cooper.
Who's Cooper? Relax, dude. Got it. Let's go. Okay, back up.
Hey,
Back up. Back up, dude. Hey, stop hitting the window, man. Relax.
Hey!
Stop hitting the window. Get out of the way.
Get your friend out of
Hey, get out of the way, dude. Stop it.
Problems in a second.
Dude, I'm gonna pepper spray you, punk. So there you go. You see all this crazy stuff happening. We're there arguing with these cats, and they're drunk. They're drinking beer. The guy throws beers at one of the camera guys.
Get back, get back, get back. Get back.
Hey, dude, you doing, idiot?
We're gonna have real problems in a second. Get your friend out of this car.
Back away from the car, man.
You know, I don't want to point fingers, and I don't want to stereotype, but they, you know, they look like they're part of these white gangs that we have out here in the LA area.
Hey, dude, you doing, idiot?
We're gonna have real problems in a second. Get your friend out of this car.
Back away from the car, man. Back away. Man, watch that guy, man. Watch that idiot.
Hey!
Get back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. Louis. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
All of a sudden, one of the guys shows that he has a gun. And he didn't pull it out, but he just showed us that he had a gun in his pants.
Louis. He's got a gun. He's got a gun.
When you got guys that are drunk and drinking and they have weapons, forget it. Get the hell out of there.
Louis, he's got a gun. Louis. He's got a gun.
Hey, listen, stop.
Hey!
When I tell you that the guy's got a gun, I mean, I think it's time to back off, don't you?
You know, they could have pulled out a gun and bam, and it would have been done. And it's not worth it. Relax.
Get your friend out of the
Hey,
car.
dude, stop it. Repossession, dude. Have some
Not a
respect.
repossession. It's not a repossession.
Cooper.
No Cooper here.
There's no Cooper.
Your friend's
I'm gonna
gonna
call
get
the
you
cops.
in a lot of trouble.
I'm gonna call the cops. You can't be nervous. You can't be scared. You have to be firm. You got to keep your bearing, and you got to show these guys you're not scared of guns.
Like I said, you know, call me a all you want. You know my feeling about guns. I just don't mess around.
Call the cops. Get out, dude. Hey, get out. I like this. Get out. Get out.
Get out of the car, close the door.
Hey, let's hey, you guys want to play? You want to play games? We got games, bro. We're gonna play games right now, okay?
If Lou tells me to get out, he's the boss. I have to do what he tells me.
Okay, your neighbors are looking at you guys too, idiots. Did you guys get that? Hey, did you get that? I'm calling the cops. Come on, let's go. Hey, come here. Did you get that gun on tape? Okay, good. This guy wants to be flashing guns. We're gonna call the cops. They're gonna give us the car anyways. Let's go, jump in the car, let's go. Watch this guy, watch. Like I told him, we can play games too. Ultimately, we left in the car. They thought that they, they won and that they're gonna keep the car. That's not the case. Oh, Hey, guys, check this out, listen up.
What's up?
The neighbors called the cops already. The cops are already on their way.
All right, what do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Okay.
And the thing is, you guys didn't get to see that because the moment that the cops arrived, they said, nope, we don't want no cameras, turn them down. You're not gonna be able to film this.